Hey, what's going on guys? The OnePlus 6 is just a couple of weeks away from its official announcement and we have got ourselves some real in-hand images of the alleged OnePlus 6. It shows us the page from the benchmark site. The processor used is the Qualcomm's top of the line Snapdragon 845 and it also says that it's 10nm, like we don't already know that. The design matches all the previous leaks of the OnePlus 6. It shows us a notch with the camera and the earpiece and the sensors. The side bezels are pretty small and the bottom bezel is also surprisingly very small. I was expecting a little bit of bigger bottom bezel, but hey, the smaller the better. And I'm telling you guys the truth, after seeing this image, I'm starting to dig this design. No, I don't like the notch idea, but I can live with it as long as they let us turn the notch off. And I have said it before, it doesn't matter how much you hate the notch, you have to eventually start loving it because everyone is doing it. And if you absolutely hate the notch, then you have just one or maybe two options to go with. And if you think that OnePlus copied Apple's notch and well that's it, then my friend, you are out of luck. OnePlus posted some teasers of the OnePlus 6 on Twitter. One of them is this: speed your experience with gestures. This video shows one gesture to swipe down and the other gesture to swipe up. This is another iPhone 10 copy. I never used iPhone 10 for long period, but I'm guessing, don't take me seriously, that Android's back home and recent buttons are better. We still have to confirm that which gesture will do what and how will they work out, but for sure there are going to be some gestures and not the regular buttons. And this leaked image of the OnePlus 6 also don't have any navigation buttons, so it patches up. The next video they uploaded is 6ET, which is get ready. The video says the power you need, again pointing toward that this will be probably the fastest phone of 2018. The last video OnePlus uploaded is slide to focus with alert slider. Particularly it sounds very interesting. We don't know how exactly will it work, but I think alert slider at the top position will be for distinct focus, the middle position of alert slider will be for something in the middle, and the lowest portion for the alert slider will be for macro shots. And again, it's just a theory. So yeah guys, this is the very first leaked in-hand image of the OnePlus 6. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and I will cover everything about the OnePlus 6, so make damn sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.